Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you what to do when Claude AI's login is not working. So right now, as you can see, I'm currently logged into Claude and it's working perfectly fine. But in the event that you're having trouble signing in, I'm going to show you the steps you can take to try to resolve this issue on your own. So the first step is to make sure that you are properly connected to the internet, which I am, and you can do so by simply going to your taskbar, clicking on the Wi-Fi icon, and making sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. And if you want, you can go ahead and type in speed test in your Google search bar and run a quick speed test. So as you can see right now, I have a pretty stable connection and everything else seems to be working fine. So I can rule out that it's not exactly my connection. That's the problem. Another thing you can do is to check if the website itself is having outages. And all we have to do is type in Claude AI outage monitor. And you can go on overhead here to status.claude.com. And you can see there are some times where it's unavoidable that the website itself will have outages, and this is through no fault of your own. It's mainly their servers probably hitting their peak outputs or undergoing some maintenance, and there's really not much you can do about that in that case. But besides that, as you can see, everything says here it's operational. So we can rule that out as well. And the last step that you can do to make sure that you are able to log in is to clear your cookies and cache. So what this does is it wipes the slate clean, makes it so that when you go to the website, it's going to act like it's your first time there once again. But it shouldn't delete any of your history with your chats because those are stored on the server and not on your machine. So to clear the cache and the cookies, I'm just going to click on the menu button here at the top right. Then I'm going to go to settings. And then here, I'm just going to type in cache. Here, as you can see, we have delete browsing data. And then I'm going to delete the browsing data off. And then you can choose the time period of which you want to delete your data. I'm going to click on all time. And then I'm going to make sure I check on cached and cookies. The rest, they're kind of optional, but if you'd like, it's probably useful to start fresh and to just delete everything in one go. So once everything is checked, you can click on delete data here at the bottom right, and everything should be wiped clean. So once that's done, go on back to Claude AI, give the page a refresh, and hopefully you'll have no trouble signing in. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to help you with your problem, and I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.